aperture consistency on blank 4 is holding steady.
Good. We need to ensure zero distortion for the DAS integration.
The timer looks stable for the sensor array batch.
Confirmed. I am logging the data and isolating the core processor material now.
The sapphire domes undergo a final dimensional check using a highly accurate CMM. A ruby-tipped.
This visual separation enforces the process separation lock. The F-35A airframe and the
In this separate clean room, gallium arsenide wafers undergo precise plasma etching, defining the complex.
gallium arsenide placement complete. The optical telemetry confirms the bond quality.
Confirmed, engineer. Transitioning to seal and test phase.
Here in Process A, the massive airframe begins to take shape, receiving its critical internal wiring and structural components.
Check the tolerance on the DAS cutout.
Reading nominal. Verified flush fit.
The robotic effector holds the teardrop-shaped pod with soft, multi-axis grippers, carefully aligning the optical surface.
The precision of the automated arm is critical here.
We have confirmation on all 6 pods. Data looks good.
The F-35A Lightning II enters the final integration bay, where the Distributed Aperture System sensors are prepared for the first power-up and functional tests.
The sensor pod captures the infrared data, which is instantly relayed to the diagnostics equipment, ensuring accurate spatial awareness.
This precision fit is crucial, as even a small defect could create an unacceptable radar return, compromising the F-35A.
The robotic arms simulate targets from various angles. The system verifies the infrared sensor arrays over.
The specialized red protective caps shield the sensor pods and intakes from environmental damage.
The static nature of the finished product contrasts with the dynamic flow of the factory, confirming that the prime.
This label confirms the completion of the F-35A's primary assembly, paving the way for the installation of the signal processing unit in the clean room.
Obscured by climate-controlled shrouds, the aircraft symbolizes removal from the production flow. This completes.
Temperature profile looks nominal.
Confirmed. We are maintaining phase consistency.
Managing the enormous heat generated by real-time infrared imagery requires bespoke engineering, distinguishing the DAS unit from standard hardware. The completed DAS signal processing units are moved from the clean room into the final packaging section by a precise robotic crane. The DAS Signal Processing Unit, the final component, begins its journey across the international highway, bridging the gap to final deployment.
RAAF security. Manifest for the DAS units.
Here you are. Seal is intact.
Confirmed. Proceed to the integration facility, Hangar 4.
The connectors look good. Pin alignment is spot on.
All right, slowly bring her in. Mind the clearance.
Bay 91, internal pressure holding steady.
Confirmed. Locking sequence initiated. Logging closure sequence complete.
The DAS Signal Processing Unit is fully operational. The 360-degree vision is seamless and provides critical functional quality.